Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best play makeup that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the F-Stop Labs Play Makeup. The F-Stop Labs Play Makeup is perfect for parents who want to provide their children with creative and unique pretend play. With the realistic design of the makeup case and cosmetics set, kids can engage in imaginative fashion and style play. This playset is also great for the development of children's intelligence, self-dressing ability, and independence. What makes this product stand out is that it looks and feels realistic, but is actually 100% fake. You don't have to worry about your child using real makeup while playing with this toy set. Not only does it encourage imagination and creative play, but it also helps little kids develop an interest in beauty salon activities. This comprehensive set includes a hairdryer, mirror, curling iron, brush, lipstick, nail polish, blush, and hair clips, all wrapped up in a stylish carry box. This kit is perfect for toddlers as well as preschoolers, providing hours of quality fun for kids of any age and gender, making it the best overall on the list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Make It Up Play Makeup. The Pretend Makeup Kit for kids is one of the top-rated, best value makeup kits you can buy for young children. It comes with all your little one needs to play around and live out their makeup dreams, including a pocket mirror, bronzer, blusher, lip gloss, foundation, lipstick, and nail polish. There are 14 pieces in total included in this kit, all made from safe materials like non-toxic ABS plastic and EVA foam. At number 3, we have the Melissa & Doug Play Makeup. The Melissa & Doug Wooden Beauty Salon playset is one of the most fabulous makeup sets around. Crafted from strong and safe wood and fitted with its own mirror and drawer, this playset allows your child to create their own mini salon in their bedroom or elsewhere around the house. It comes with 18 pieces in total, including a hairbrush, comb, mini hairdryer, makeup brush, and more. All the items are cute and nicely made, perfect for role-playing and suitable for kids aged 3 and above. At number 2, we have the Kizesbro Play Makeup. The washable real makeup set for little girls contains real makeup products that your little one can use to have fun by themselves or with their friends. It's all kid-friendly, mess-free makeup, so there's no need for parents to worry about anything, and the kit comes complete with lip gloss, lipstick, eyeshadow, powder blush, and a range of applicators. There's also a Frozen-themed bag for storage and other fun items like a princess crown and nail file. And finally at number 1, we have the Holly High Play Makeup. The Holly High 41 PCs Kids Makeup Toy Kit is one of the most complete and comprehensive play makeup kits money can buy. It includes over 40 items in total, suitable for kids aged 3+. You'll find eyeshadow, blush, wax, lip gloss, lipstick, multiple makeup brushes, nail polishes, and other accessories included in this kit. There are tons of colors for your little ones to play with and express themselves, and all items are kid-friendly and free of unwanted ingredients. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.